Thank you for watching Ebony Ladies in the DR. I'm your host, Bridget. Bienvenidos a mi canal. Gracias por mirar. It is time for Spanish, y'all. I know I am late. I have been traveling today on my connecting flight from Orlando to Punta Cana. So I had a question, and the agent working the flight was a Dominican American. So he did his announcements, everything in Spanish and then in English. And it was something I didn't understand. So I went to him and I asked my question in Spanish, of course. And he answered me, you guys, so fast. It was like, what? I had no clue. I felt like I was brand new to Spanish. It was just all ran together. It was super fast. So I said, Señor, por favor, ten paciencia. Mi español no es perfecto. So I said, sir, please be patient. My Spanish is not perfect. So one more time, por favor, ten paciencia. Mi español no es perfecto. Because he was talking so fast. So whenever you're in that situation and you kind of know, you feel a little bit confident what you're saying is correct and you're not positive of what they're saying, you don't want to be any misunderstanding, then just say, por favor, ten paciencia. Mi español no es perfecto. And then they will slow down for you. That's a little bit of Spanish today. I know we were late, but we got it done anyway. All right, you guys take care, and I will see you tomorrow. Practice, practice, practice.